Today is my first time of coming to Abuja since I lost the election. You know, I'm not like Yahaya Bello, who lost, and every day is in Abuja. In fact, I even tried and came second. I didn't come even seventh. But frankly speaking, let me...
Because we speak the truth to authorities. And our colleagues know that it is myself and him, we are different as far as the Nigerian Governors Forum is concerned. So my senior brother, I respect you highly. I have to now ensure that my first wife is a lawyer. So that the years of Wike will not be intimidating me all the time. So I will apply to the NJC, Privileges and Ethics Committee, so that I can be given Junior Advocate of Nigeria. Whenever we are here like this, I will not be intimidated. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we are here today to celebrate, to appreciate.